got my African food. I got my Eddie Kane Kong and my Eva, and I'm putting the fork over there.
Alrighty.
Going down, hands time.
True African style. Look at Carrie. Is it good?
Oh, it's so good. It's so good.
Love it.
Yo, what up? It's your boy Chris the Designer, and I'm back with a video. Today's video is gonna be real different, but like funny and knowledgeable, I guess. So today I'm gonna teach you guys how to eat the African fufu. You know, some people call fufu, some people call ugali, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. I'm about to teach you guys how to eat it, because people be disrespecting the culture, so I'm gonna show you the right way. You ready? Let's go. First thing you need to do, you need to boil the water first. After you boil it, right here, that's the mixture. It look like flour, but it's really not flour, so you know what I'm saying. First thing you gotta do, wash your hands, man, you know what I'm saying. So yeah guys, this is it. I'm about to show you guys how to eat the African fufu, you know what I'm saying? We got the good chicken soup right here, you know, I'm not sure if you can see it, you feel me? Very good. And we got the African fufu by itself, you feel me? It looks kind of like flour, but it's really not flour. It's some other kind of stuff. I don't know how to explain it. You know, but let's dig in, man. Let's get into it. Listen, other people are trying to use spoons, man. Don't use spoons, man.
And I'm putting the fork over there.
Alrighty.
Going down.
No, don't do that. Don't do that. Ever use spoon? Don't. Go wash your hands and dig in with your hands. You know what I'm saying? Let's start. That's how we do it. Feel me? Cut big one like that. You know, if it starts sticking to your hands, you just touch a little sauce, a little soup, you know. You smooth it out, you know what I'm saying? If it's hot, just throw it in the air a little bit like that, so it can get warm, you know what I'm saying? Then what I do next is like, you make a little ball like that. Like that, you just scoop into the sauce. Yeah, that's how it is. Very good, very good, D. Ah, let me tell you a story, man. Listen, it's really spicy. Listen, even when I'm gonna be a billionaire, a millionaire, I don't think I'll ever stop eating this food, because this is the food that like made me who I am. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I survived with this food, you know, so I cannot forget about this shit. I know probably people, oh, this is really spicy, oh damn. I know probably people are like, oh, why are you making videos about eating food? I'm like, listen man, I don't really care, because you was born strong. No problem. I got the water here, just in case. It's like ice water. I don't know. Other people eat it with milk. That's the most disgusting thing and disrespectful. And I know you're watching. Mupenzi and your people, stop eating it with milk. Come on, man. You eat it with water, so like it can clears out the taste in your mouth. So like when you eat it again, like it's like you're starting over. You know what I'm saying? That's the whole point. When you drink milk, come on, man. Drink a little water, you know what I'm saying? Just keep going. Well, let me stop so for a minute. There's other people who chew it, but I just swallow it. No homo, no homo. I just swallow it, cause I don't like chewing it. Cause this don't have taste. This people like who wanna learn how to eat it, then they like taste it like this. I'm like, this have no taste. The whole point of it is to eat it with something. You know what I'm saying? Soup or something. Don't taste it just like that. That's why I don't chew it. Like other people chew it, but I don't. I don't feel anything when I chew it. So I just swallow it. No homo. No homo. Alright. Yeah. So yeah, guys, that was it. Yeah, that's how you eat the FUFU. You know what I'm saying? That's how you eat the African food. With your hands. You don't use no spoon. Don't disrespect the culture like that. So yeah, man, that was the end of the video. If you enjoyed the video, smash that like button. If you're new to this channel, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Cause I do random videos. I do all that kind of videos. So like, you know what I'm saying? Just subscribe, you know what I'm saying? So that would mean a lot to me, you know what I'm saying? We almost on 800 subscribers. Yeah. Almost on 800. Let's hit 800 subscribers real quick. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, don't disrespect the culture we're in. Eat this with spoon. Don't do that. Or fork or any. Wash your hands and use your left hand. Right hand. Alright, man. It's your boy Chris the Designer. As always, stay fresh, stay blessed. I'm signing out, man.
Why don't give a fuck? What that 40 top? What to try your luck? What? Nigga, knock it walk. Where's the league star?